Hi, I'm Dr. John Char, a holistic practitioner from Hawaii. I'd like to discuss with you how to speed the healing process for coughs. Is this folk remedy best for you? Ask yourself. Well, here's a formula I like to give you. It's called the licorice root tea, which relieves the pain or irritation of the mucous membranes. The formula is: drink licorice root tea as long as your cough persists. There's a caution to that. Don't try licorice root if you have high blood pressure or kidney problems. That's your licorice root tea cough formula.